The scope of educational psychology. Fall within scope of general psychology. Educational psychology is primarily correlated with the investigation of teaching learning process. The scope of educational psychology is more limited and specific than psychology. Briefly discuss the scope of educational psychology. Mental capabilities. The teacher decides this method of teaching based on the purpose, ability, aptitude, and other mental qualities. Intelligence, memory, attention, interest, thinking, reasoning, imagination, sentiment, emotion, motive, need, work, and fatigue. Backwardness, deficiency, and problem behavior come under the categories of educational psychology. Stages of development. Children pass through various stages of life such as infancy, childhood, adolescence, and adulthood. All these stages have their own special characteristics. If the teacher knows the peculiarities and characteristics of learners who are different stages of development, he can utilize the knowledge for molding their behavior appropriately. Teaching learning process. To deal effectively in the class, the teacher must understand the principles of learning, various approaches to the learning process, problems of learning and their remedial measures. It also gives the knowledge of various approaches to understand the learning process, factors affecting learning, and guidance for effective learning. Individual differences. The teacher in the class has to interact with many children who have large number of individual differences. The teacher, with the help of the knowledge of individual differences, can adjust his teaching to the needs of children. It may also be helpful for him in creating suitable environment for developing their inherent potentialities. Teaching strategies. Educational psychology gives the teachers the knowledge of appropriate methods of teaching. It helps them develop new strategies of teaching which are appropriate to different age groups. Curriculum construction. Psychological principles help the teachers to develop a sound curriculum for different age groups, needs of children, society, development, characteristics, transfer, possibilities, etc. are the considered for developing curriculum. Behavior of children. By learning educational psychology, a teacher can be sensitive to the cause and problem of the children. Psychology helps the teacher to lead to the development of the number of useful techniques for getting a better understanding of specific instances of behavior. Thank you.